Good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you how to make a green coffee drink out of these green coffee beans. And I tell you what, if you have a chance to get them pre-ground, get them pre-ground, because they literally jammed up my coffee grinder. So I'm literally going to have to use one of those old school hand grinders to even try to get them ground up. Alright, so I'm going to use this. I literally have to be on the floor with it in between my legs and press down on it because these are so hard to grind up. Wait, we're going to shut this. So, you're definitely going to want to get it pre-ground or have a really badass grinder. Or have one of these. Maybe put it in a bench vise and try to grind it. But if you have children, you can get them to do it. And just tell them that it's a new video game or an app or something. He's like,
oh no, it's not.
The coffee.
Am I doing it the wrong way?
No, keep going.
There
you go. Oh yeah, it's a new app.
There we go.
The coffee grinding app.
Maybe it would be easier if it had like smooth sides.
Alright, so we are going to use about 1/4 of a cup in our French press. Alright, it's been whistling. Now we want to fill up the water. And we're going to want to let this sit for about, oops, spilled some, 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to press this down just by the weight of your hand. I'm going to pour ourselves a cup. I'm going to add a spoonful of monk fruit sweetener. Add some MCT oil. Maybe about just a squirt. And top her off with some heavy whipping cream. Then, this little blender thing, which is very awesome, and just start whipping it up. Try not to make it overflow. Wow, that was close. Well, that's how you make it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments whether you liked it or not. Have yourself a happy, healthy, safe day. And remember, recipes are just guidelines. You can make them any way you want. You can add whatever you want to this. Put some cinnamon in it or whatever. Have a great day.